Ramsar Convention happened in 1971 in Ramsar in Iran on 2nd of February, and since then there has been nearly 96 sites from India which have been included. So India now accounts for highest number of wetland sites and third highest globally. Now very important is Montreux record, which talks about the sites which are under ecological threat, and it lists Kevladev and Lothak. Chilka was in it, however after restoration it has been removed. Chilka and Kevladev were the first among the Ramsar sites in India, and then Sundarban is one of the largest Ramsar sites in India. Among the wetland sites, the important ones are included in Indore and Udaipur. 11 new sites have been added in 2025 alone, and if we look onto the figures, we have Hokera wetland, Kabartal in Uttarakhand, then we have Palar in Tamil Nadu, then we have the bird sanctuary in Tamil Nadu, the Sakar Kotai, which is again very important. Global ranking, we have the highest number of Ramsar sites in UK, followed by Mexico, India, China and Russia. So those are some of the important snippets on Ramsar conventions and Ramsar site. Ramsar is one of the common questions which is asked. We'll be talking about more interesting sessions in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Have a great day.